In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Revolut card for the first time. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Revolut card is an extremely convenient card that makes it easy to pay abroad, online, and manage all of these transactions throughout their app. So, using it for the first time is as simple as using it on any eligible service or store and using your PIN. As soon as you use your PIN to issue one payment, you will be good to go. So, after you receive your card, it is important to manage it within the app. You can find the app available on the Play Store for Android devices and also on the App Store for iOS. So, like I said, download the app according to which device you have, and inside of here, you will be able to sign into your account and activate the card. So as you can see, to activate your card, make an in-store PIN payment. So all that you have to do is use your physical card using its PIN. The PIN is the code that you set up, and once this PIN has been used to issue a payment, you will be good to go. The card is now active and you will be able to manage it inside of the app. You can also create virtual cards. These can be more secure and you will be able to manage every single one that you have inside of the app. You can see the details such as the card number, expiration date, security code. You can freeze the card if it is lost or stolen, and you can manage settings like the limits and other such options. And you can even add the card to a digital wallet, such as the Google Wallet or the Apple Wallet. And as soon as this is done, you will be good to go. Like I mentioned, the Revolut card is primarily used to pay abroad. This is because it has automatic currency conversion. So even though you can manually add your own currencies here, so US dollars, British pounds, and other options, this will be done automatically. So when you issue a payment abroad, it will convert these currencies for you. They have some very competitive exchange rates, but you can manually do it if you prefer. There might be some tax included, especially on the weekends, so by doing it yourself, you will be able to guarantee the best prices possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Revolut card for the first time. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.